Choosing between .NET Aspire and Kubernetes is confusing for many developers. Should you learn Kubernetes first, or is Aspire replacing Kubernetes? What do really software architect actually choose? In this video, we compare Aspire versus Kubernetes from real world architecture perspective, not hype. Local development, microservice, orchestration, developer productivity, cloud readiness, when to use. You will also see practical demo using .NET Aspire app host orchestration. So every developer entering microservice hears one word, Kubernetes, and immediately thinks I must learn Kubernetes before building distributed system. But after designing a real production system as software architect, I would not start with Kubernetes. I would have start with .NET Aspire. Today I will explain why and when Kubernetes actually become the necessary. So developer thinks Kubernetes is architecture. It's not. Kubernetes solves deployment problems, not design problems. Before scaling system, you must first understand service boundaries, communication, observability, and orchestration locally. .NET Aspire is a developer-first orchestration platform. It helps you run distributed application locally with observability, service discovery, configuration, and orchestration already wired. Think as a Aspire as Kubernetes experience without Kubernetes complexity. So what Kubernetes actually is, Kubernetes is an infrastructure orchestrator. It manages containers, scaling, networking, failover, production resilience. Kubernetes assumes your architecture is already a correct. So let's compare with the category like from the learning curve, which is easy. So .NET Aspire is easy, Kubernetes is bit high learning curve, and the target .NET Aspire for developers and Kubernetes for platform engineers. For local development, Aspire is a great one. Observability, .NET Aspire has built-in, but Kubernetes you need to do manual setup. Setup time it takes minutes, but Kubernetes takes days or week. Production scaling, it's limited, and Kubernetes is a massive. So best stage like when you want to use .NET Aspire versus Kubernetes. .NET Aspire in development environment you should use it. Kubernetes for production. So let's go in the demo, and I will show you how Aspire is structured and how simple it is compared to Kubernetes. Okay, I opened the Visual Studio. I have an existing e-commerce project which is I am currently building the microservice. So if you see here in app host, so if I open the app host.css, you see like just 4 lines of code. It's completely wired up and it is give you the complete microservice experience. So here if you see under the builder, so I added the multiple project. One is catalog service product and order service, uh, two services, and I just referred with the gateway project. Through gateway project, I am trying to access the catalog and ordering services. Here, if you notice, there is no Docker flies, no Kubernetes YAML, no service discovery configuration. Aspire wires everything automatically. As an architect, I choose tools based on system maturity. So, stage based decisions. First stage, Building architecture. Choose .NET Aspire as a learning microservices for building services, debug locally, and fast iterations. In a stage 2, for team scaling, still Aspire plus containers. In the stage 3, for a massive production scaling, now Kubernetes makes sense. The biggest mistake developers makes learning Kubernetes before learning distributed system. That's like learning airport control system before learning how to fly it. In the conclusion, my architectural choice is very simple. Start with Aspire, master distributed design, then move to Kubernetes only when scales demand it. Tool should reduce complexity, not introduce it early. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.